Introducing the Nuwave Bravo XL Convection Oven, a culinary marvel that will revolutionize the way you cook. Whether you're an amateur chef or a seasoned pro, this state-of-the-art convection oven with flavor infusion technology is designed to meet all your cooking needs and deliver exceptional results every time. Say goodbye to the guesswork and hello to precision cooking with the Bravo Convection Oven's 12 preset functions. From air frying and grilling to baking, broiling, and dehydrating, this versatile kitchen companion is equipped to handle a wide range of cooking tasks effortlessly. Additionally, it boasts an impressive library of 100 pre-programmed recipe presets, inspiring you to explore new flavors and dishes with confidence. Here are the key features of Nuwave Bravo XL 30-Quart Convection Oven with Flavor Infusion Technology. Multi-layer cooking, a feast for the whole family. With 4 rack positions and multi-purpose racks, the Bravo Toaster Oven Air Fryer combo lets you indulge in multi-layer cooking convenience like never before. Its heavy-duty racks can withstand over 30 pounds of food, making it perfect for preparing delicious meals that cater to the entire family's cravings. Precision at your fingertips with intuitive digital controls. Experience precise control over your cooking with Bravo's intuitive digital controls. Set cook temperatures from 50 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit in precise 5 degrees Fahrenheit increments, allowing you to fine-tune the cooking process to perfection. Unlike traditional methods, Bravo's heater remains active throughout the cooking process, ensuring consistent and even cooking results. Integrated smart digital thermometer. Cooking made effortless. Never worry about overcooking or undercooking again. The Bravo oven comes with an integrated smart digital thermometer that continuously monitors the internal temperature of your food. Once the desired doneness temperature is reached, the oven automatically ends the cooking process, delivering succulent and tender results with ease. Create, save, and adjust a customized culinary experience. Let your creativity flow in the kitchen with Bravo's built-in 50 memory slots, where you can save your own favorite recipes. Experiment, perfect, and save your culinary creations for future use. Plus, you can easily adjust cooking time and temperature on the fly, giving you full control over the cooking process. Linear thermal technology, consistent perfection. Experience precision cooking like never before with Bravo's Linear T technology. By continuously monitoring temperature fluctuations and making real-time adjustments, this innovative technology ensures that the set temperature is accurately maintained throughout the cooking process, guaranteeing flawless results. Dual heat zones for true surround cooking. Achieve gourmet-level pizza perfection with Bravo's dual heat zones. Customize the top and bottom heaters as well as the convection fan independently for true surround cooking. Bake your pizza to crispy, crunchy perfection with a perfectly melted cheesy topping for a taste that rivals any pizzeria. Carryover cooking mode. No more overcooked fare. Say goodbye to overcooked meats and fish. Bravo's carryover cooking mode compensates for the cooking that occurs after you remove the food from the oven. This brilliant feature ensures your culinary masterpieces retain their juicy tenderness and flavors even during the resting phase. A complete package for culinary excellence with the Nuwave Bravo XL Air Fryer Toaster Smart Oven. You'll receive everything you need to embark on your culinary journey: non-stick broiler rack, baking pan, air fry basket, heavy-duty wire cooking rack, crumb tray, smart digital thermostat, owner's manual, quick start guide, and a recipe book filled with culinary inspirations. Unleash your inner chef and elevate your cooking game with the Nuwave Bravo XL Convection Oven. This advanced culinary marvel is your key to unlocking a world of delicious possibilities in your kitchen.